Hello there, and welcome to this quick video on my main tip about how to use props in your product photography. Now, a lot of the time you should avoid having props and just have the white background, as you've probably seen, written all over the place. But the thing with props is I think it's very context dependent. So for example, if you're doing product photography for an advert and you say, for example, you're selling a dress, just having that on a white background isn't really going to entice them in because you're not connecting with the user intent. So for example, if you're selling a dress to a younger woman, you'd want to have a young woman wearing it as a model, or for the older woman, vice versa. When it comes to props, you've got to think about the context of where the user is coming from. I go into more specifics on actual props to use for different product categories in a blog post below. It's a lot quicker if you just click on there, have a quick read through it, and then let me know what you think. Cheers, bye.